How to set up Bluetooth. To set up Bluetooth, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Tap the settings icon. Tap the Bluetooth on/off button to turn on Bluetooth. Tap Bluetooth to open the Bluetooth menu. Make sure the device you are pairing with is in discoverable mode. Tap Search. Your phone will search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Choose the device you want to pair with your phone. You're done setting up Bluetooth. A quick way to turn Bluetooth on and off is from the notification panel. Drag down from the top of the screen and then tap the Bluetooth icon to turn Bluetooth on or off.